Welcome to Unit 2, where we focus on reading diverse texts, specifically expository writing. Expository texts are among the most common materials you will encounter in your academic life, and mastering them is a powerful skill. By understanding how these passages are constructed, you will improve your reading efficiency and gain the tools necessary to write your own effective expository prose. By the end of this unit, you will be able to define these texts, identify their unique characteristics, and analyze sample writings with confidence. Unlike narrative texts, which are often informal, imaginative, and focused on storytelling and suspense, expository texts are designed to explain issues, theories, concepts, or plans. They do not tell stories. Instead, they focus on providing information. The characteristics of these texts include a formal style that avoids abbreviations and conversational slang, a focus on concepts rather than events, and a logical, sequential organization. Think of it like peeling an onion. Good writers unfold their ideas bit by bit. Above all, these texts are grounded in facts, supported by concrete evidence rather than exaggeration or illogical claims. Consider, for example, a text on the importance of education. Such a piece would argue that education is essential for building a modern nation, outlining its role at various levels and discussing real-world challenges. When analyzing this kind of writing, you will notice the absence of storytelling and suspense. Instead, the author states an argument directly and uses a logical flow to prove it, moving from the importance of the subject to current problems and potential solutions. To tackle these texts effectively, you should cultivate tools like active thinking, note-making, and expanding your vocabulary. Developing your speed, accuracy, and genuine interest in the subject matter will also serve you well. In conclusion, expository texts are foundational to every academic field. By mastering their structure and logic, you prepare yourself for success in all your future studies. In this unit, we have defined expository texts as non-narrative, factual, and logically organized materials, and we have explored how to analyze them to navigate your academic reading assignments with ease. If you are watching this course from YouTube or other platform, make sure to sign up on coursexquiz.com to take this unit quiz and track your progress. Enrollment is completely free.